Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Web Wrecker. Okay, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, so don't worry if you can't see this. And I will be using a straight edge for this stick part. So if you want to use one, you might want to go find one, or pull yours out if you have one handy. And we'll do that. You don't have to. I just like to because when it has stuff like that, I like to honor the drawing and do it right, you know? Okay. So this, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Is it some futuristic thing? Why is it called a web breaker? I don't know. But it reminds me of a trolling motor. A trolling motor is what is on a boat that you can drop down, and they're usually removable. Like you know, you have those boats, you know, with the stick on the back that you, small tiny little like one-man boat that's got a stick on the back that you move like that to control it. And I could be wrong. But a trolling motor, if I'm correct, is a small one that you can pick up in and out of the water, like, whereas the other one is permanent, you know. Okay, wow, that is really big compared to the stick. I went way too big with that. Okay, so I'm going to bring it in just a little bit, like that. Bring that down a little bit, like that. Okay. I really went overboard. Ha ha ha. I think of it as a motor, and I just used an overboard reference. I'm hilarious. Okay, I like that much better. I trimmed it down just a little bit, and it fits. Okay, so I think I'm going to switch over to a Sharpie now, and you're welcome to use a pencil or Sharpie, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and start with that stick, because I see by the way I did it, I think that knob should be over here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this first and see where we go. No, that's good. That'll work. I can do that. Okay, so I'm going to just do one line and then scoot it over and do the other. Like that. And follow that one. I'm just eyeballing it. It doesn't have to be precise. That'll work. So let's draw the little handle, and it looks like a little cane handle. Okay, like that. And so now I can draw the rest of it. So I'm going to, this kind of scoops in just a little bit. That's why it reminds me of like some kind of handle or something. It's crazy. So I'm going to draw this bottom part across just to give me a gauge of where I'm supposed to be. Do something like that. So I'm going to come in just a bit and out for the handle. Come back up, do the same thing. Like that. I'm exaggerating it, but that's kind of what it's making me think of, you know? And it's got these lines across that are like a grip. So that's why I think it's like a handle. And for some reason that makes me think of a motor. Ooh, look, it is way off compared to the way I do the drawing. But you know what? That's okay. Maybe yours is a little straighter. Mine's off. I'm just going to live with it and own my mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up here, go across, and I'm going to, it looks like a like a camera lens. So I'm just going to kind of draw what I think a camera lens looks like. Something like that. Okay, and let's see. So this part's going to come up. Well, let's draw this part right here. Let's see. This is going to go something like this. There's the bottom, and then this part's going to go across. I'm gonna bring it down. So I'm going to go across, straight, and then bring it down like that. Okay, and then this one's going to go straight up. And now I can draw the rest of this stuff based on this drawing here, or my stop points, you know. And so this is kind of underneath it, not touching, for at least from what I can see, down like this and back across. And there's a little part inside that kind of looks like that. Okay, so this kind of goes scoops like that. So we're just kind of simulating that. So let's draw this other side. It's going to go across like this and come down a little bit. Come over here to this. And then this bulbous part is just kind of sticking out like that. And then we're just going to draw another scoop on top. Scoop and across parallel and bring it down, and more camera lenses. I don't know, that's just what they look like to me. Okay. Oops, let's connect that real fast. So there's a few more jiggity jargon little things in here that most of it I should take care of with color, but I'm going to do some holes, and there's like a vent type kind of thing that I'm going to add right here. And they're kind of like that. There's not much else I can really do to this because color is going to take care of the rest of it. So yeah, so let's take care of the rest with color. So for now, that is Web Wrecker. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.